Good day. Now, we are going to present our research entitled Food Preference of the Students of Ricardo Ipong National High School, prepared by
Kayla Borja
Arjun Marta.
Kayla Tungkaling.
and Jonalyn Villamor.
Background of the study. Foods and water are essential requirements for all humans anywhere. They become the second demand after breathing. Scientists' interest in food is not only recently but also for a long time, especially in the field of anthropology. They have recognized people, especially those to migration and those who face difficult conditions such as refugees, are more likely to change food habits and diet to suit their circumstances, according to Means and Du Bois 2002. Human food demands are similar, but research proved that belongings to different ethnic group would influence people's food choice, according to Birds and Fisher 1998. Food choice decisions are multi-componential, and no specific theory explain the factor that influence food choice and preference, but multiple rather perspectives, frameworks, and theories are needed to simplify the factor and interactions in food choice, according to Subal and Bisogni 2009. Foods and nutrition scientists believe that we are what we eat. This fact reflects the reality that the health and physical conditions of a man who consumes a balanced and variety healthy and diet is different from the man who follows an unhealthy, unbalanced diet rich in fat or sugar, which affect human health even in the forms of chronic disease by Tafel 1981. Significance of the study. Researcher. The findings of the study could be a source or a basis of secondary data for future researchers who would pursue similar or related study. Students, they will be able to learn the best food choice. Future researcher, this can be the basis of their future study.
Methodology. This research made use of phenomenology. The participants is grade 7 to 12 students. The local in this study is Ricardo Ipong National High School. The sampling procedure is simple random sampling, and the research instruments that we use is interview.
Results and discussions. Research question 1. Do students consider the food available on campus suitable? Considerable. Mostly of the students said that consider the food is affordable, nutritious, tastes good, is their preferred food, and make them feel good. Respondents said that because the price of food is affordable for the student. RQ2. How do the students fulfill their food needs? One's own choice. Most respondents said their food choice is affordable, delicious, and nutritious. Some respondents said that their food choice is what usually eat and makes them feel good. Also, one respondent said that his food choice smells nice. I choose the product because that usually to eat. RQ3. How can the food vendors on the campus change to fulfill the needs of the students? Vendors' liability. Most of the students said that cheap food is what they want in order to fulfill needs. Some students that they want an organic food. Few students said that they want sweet food, fast food, western food, have unique taste, cleanliness, healthy, delicious, and different food as well. RQ4. Does culture influence students' food selections? All respondents is non-considerable. RQ5. How do you feel about your buying decision? Positive feelings. The students' feeling about their buying decision, almost of them said that they are happy, contented, and relief.
Conclusion. The main findings with regards to the research question were summarized and general conclusion based on the finding of the study presented in their dissertation were described. They considered the food available on the campus suitable. They did indicate should the different types of food should be available as well. Indicated that they fulfilled their food needs by purchasing affordable, nutritious, delicious food. Students wanted organic food, sweet food, and healthy food. They also indicate the food should not be expensive. They did not consider their culture is not of their food selection. The most of the respondents were happy about their buying decision as few is not. Recommendation. With the result of the study, this is highly recommended that the next researcher should not conduct a study regarding what are the specific food a student usually eat. The next researcher should also know how did study enhance the knowledge of the every individual that will read this study. This study also recommends to the next researcher to increase the number of participants for the validity of the students.
These are the reference.
This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Food is our common ground, a universal experience by James Bird.